there have been some things that were really impressive in the past, like things we wouldn't by ourselves have come up with, like reducing the price of the item. For example, we started off with a GU10 spot, LED spot, and it was made of aluminum. And we said, okay, we need it somehow cheaper because the market is also changing and we need it cheaper. So they came up with some ideas to change the material, to change the chip, to change the driver. And these are all things we could give them as an idea, but they have the engineers to work that out and to find a way so it works for many years. The oldest bulbs we have running from them are now 15 years old, and we still don't have any complaints of them. Sounds weird, sounds like marketing, but it is really like that. And that's also a problem, because if you have products running that long, I cannot sell them again to these customers. But it's a very good thing that these products last for so long, because we have a good reputation as a company in Germany. And to us, it's very important to have a company in China who's really concerned about quality, really concerned about the relationship to the customer. To be successful in the future, it's most important to have reliable products and to have reliable partners, because there are so many trading companies out there and you don't know from the first view if they are the makers of the product or if they're just trading companies. So it's very important to have the direct connection to the supplier and that you can talk to them 24 hours a day, and no matter what time zone you can ask your questions, because if there is any problem, you have to find a solution, and you have to have a partner who can find a solution and not say, well, I need to look it up, maybe we talk again 1 week later. So it's about timing, it's about being fast, and it's about being able to solve problems fast. In the past, we had some very strange experiences with some suppliers. So we send over money to Hong Kong, we send it to China, we send it to Singapore, although these have been all Chinese companies. But whenever we send money to HESHI Lighting, we really got our product. And whenever there was a problem, we got a solution. And even if we sent them millions of euros, millions of dollars, we never had an issue. Well, you sometimes have a small issue, but never money-wise, and we always got a solution. So we are really confident in working together with them, also without any contracts or some bank agreements or something like that. For us, we don't need it. Some others might need it, but we know each other for 15 years now, so I'm willing to do it like we did it the last 15 years. And I see us doing it the same way in the next 15 years as well. It is very important that your partner understands your needs. I don't mean just language-wise, I mean just the full understanding of it. And we have had partners who just said, yes, no problem, we can do it. And they didn't really get the idea. But here with HESHI Lighting, we found that they really understood what we're meaning, not in the language, but also the engineering side. They got to know the idea of the product, our idea, what we need for our market.